Hey guys, Tricky Trevor here. I know I'm a little late for my intro, but it's like this trucker over here needs some help. Maybe. I don't know. The Cascadia. I don't know if he needs help or not. That's what we're about to find out. The heck is that noise? I know it's the cars, but it's something else. Clank. It's one of these poles. The heck is... Oh, there's a string attached to one of them that's cranking it home. Anyways, see if this truck needs some help. I just talked to him, and no, he does not need help. Well, it looks like I'm going to do truck spotting in the rain. It's for the giant raindrop on my mouth. Bored. Pete coming. Get the blinker turned on. What's happening? Oh. Yeah, you're good. Well, those are nice horns. Kenworth. UPS van. Woohoo! What about services? Yeah. Jeep. Convoy. How about you, Kenworth? Jeez. Yeah. Another truck's coming. Oh, it's a Ford van. Ford. That one small car is smushed between two trucks right now. It's hilarious. It's a Ram. Anyone else coming? Nope. Pete in there. Tree. As we are walking through this small forest of giant trees. Oh. Mom, here we go. Like a horn. 3 horns. Mom, Pete, like a horn. Aw. That's really nice on that. Excursion. Alright, so guys, as I was saying before I got interrupted by that excursion, so I want you guys to hit the like button and subscribe button. because I upload almost daily videos of semi-trucks. So, yeah, sometimes make a little jokes, and you guys yourself may watch along while I do all the work, and you guys just sit back and relax, get some popcorn or something, and watch some truck videos, because I'm going to be making a whole playlist on my channel, all my truck spotting videos. So, I hope you guys have a good spring break. So, let's wait for the next truck thing. Pete's coming. I just saw him leave the weight scale. Yeah, let's get this Ford. Got my Crocs on. So, let's get this Ford. You guys might be wondering, how do you get here all the time? Well, that's how. Right there, my bike, that's how. I saw the Pete in the reflection. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's a dump truck coming. I'm wearing gloves now, so it's hard to zoom in. Hello, Kenworth dump truck. Come on. Dump truck. Oh. No, you, but thanks for honking. Come on, dump truck. Why did you not honk the horn? Just according to Jake Simple. Shaving a haircut on a car horn. It's kind of weak though. Mini loud thingy. That cement truck. Not you, Chevy, but there's a cement truck over there with a mini loud thingy on it. And this is gonna. Oh, there's two mini loud thingies. There's two of them. But yeah, this is gonna do it for today's video. I hope you all have an amazing and fantastic day. And goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.